Hello and welcome to the Apple Watch Series 6 tips and tricks video. I've got lots of tips to share, so let's just get straight into it. The Apple Watch has a cool trick where it will read the time out loud just by placing two fingers on the watch face, just like this.
2017. 2017.
To enable this, just click on the crown, go to Settings, scroll down to Clock, scroll down a little bit more, locate Speak Time, and just make sure that is turned on. If you ever have something on your watch's display that you want to save or share, taking a screenshot will capture an image and save it to your phone's camera roll. To take a screenshot, all you need to do is press the crown and side buttons in together at the same time. To enable screenshots on your watch, first off go to Settings, then General, scroll down until you see Screenshots, and just make sure it's enabled there. The grid view is Apple's default way of showing you the apps installed on your watch. It's quick and easy to get around, and after a while you recognise your apps. However, it's not for everyone. If you'd like to change this to a list view, all you need to do is go to Settings, scroll down the list until you get to App View, and select List View. The next time you press the crown to have a look at the apps you have installed, you'll see a list, which is a lot easier to navigate. Some of the menus on the Apple Watch are quite long. If you find that you've gone quite a way down the rabbit hole, don't worry, you don't need to swipe all the way back up. All you need to do is just press the time in the top corner. One of the great things about the Apple Watch is the always on display. Now, you may want to turn it off, perhaps to save battery. If you want to do that, all you need to do is go to the crown, press it, go to Settings, scroll down to Display and Brightness, then you'll see Always On. Press that and you have an option to toggle off the Always On display. Blood oxygen levels in the blood are very important. If you want to check your levels, click on the crown, then go to the blood oxygen app, click Start and give it 15 seconds. Would you like your alarm to chime and vibrate gently so you know when it's the top of the hour? If so, click the crown, go to Settings, go down to Accessibility, then scroll down and keep scrolling. You'll soon come across chimes. Enable chimes, and here you can schedule to go on hourly, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and also the sounds of birds or bells. If you're liking the video so far, please give it a thumbs up, it will keep Mickey dancing. If you want to add or remove a watch face, here's what you do. Press and hold the watch face, scroll across to the far right and you'll see New. Click plus, and then from here you can select a watch face you want. If you want to get rid of one, press and hold again, scroll across to the one you want to get rid of, swipe up, press remove, tap, and go on about your business. If you like to have a little time in hand, so to speak, you can set the display time on the watch to be ahead of what it actually is. To do this, click onto the crown, go to Settings, scroll down to Clock, and just here we can set the watch face display time ahead. Press and scroll until you get the time you wish. Let's say 15 minutes, we click Set, and now we go back and you can see the time has jumped forward. If you'd like to take an ECG on your Apple Watch Series 6, all you need to do is press the crown to go to your apps, select ECG, then you need to press your finger against the crown for 30 seconds. It gives you your result and some further information. To access your notifications or control center from the main watch face, just swipe down from the top to see your notifications and swipe up from the bottom to see the control center. If you're in an app, say for example the calculator, it doesn't work the same way. What you need to do is just press and hold for a second, swipe down for notifications, press and hold, swipe up for control center. We can have Siri listen for commands every time we raise the watch towards our face, when we say hey, or by pressing the digital crown. To amend any of these details or set them up, click on the crown, select Settings, scroll down to Siri, and here you'll see the options you can change. If you want to check out the latest news or scores, Just make sure your watch is connected to Wi-Fi and ask Siri to open a page. Open bbc.co.uk.
Here's what I found.
Click Open Page. And you can scroll through and check for information. If you find your watch is low on battery, you can go into power reserve mode. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the watch, then press on the battery percentage. At the bottom, swipe across power reserve, and this screen just lets you know that it's going to turn off everything except for the time. And to get out of that mode, you need to restart your watch by pressing and holding the side button. This is what it looks like. You just have the time and no other functionality. You can send an incoming call to voicemail just by simply placing your hand over your watch. All you need to do is, hold on, right on cue, we have a call coming in, it's Elon, but I'm going to demonstrate this to you guys. There we go, it's gone to voicemail. I'll get back to you. Your Apple Watch can help you take the perfect photo or video. All you need to do on your watch is click the crown, then go to camera remote, and what you'll notice on the watch, you now can see what the phone can see. So we can scroll in and out on the subject, like so. We can tap on the screen if we want to change the focus. Press record to start video. Press the button beside it to take a photo. And when we finish, press stop. And you can also press these three buttons to see options for the camera. I hope you enjoyed the Apple Watch Series 6 tips and tricks video. If you had a favourite tip, let me know which one it was in the comments, and if you have a tip, put that in the comments as well, share it with the community. Just want to say thank you for choosing the video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, it helps me out so much in my quest. Also, if you want to see more videos on the Apple Watch and other Apple products, just subscribe, turn on notifications, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Take care.